Everyone, had a great conversation last night with a friend over dinner, and we were discussing the two things that it's all you need to be super happy and vibe on a very high level. And that's physical health and financial health. So what that means is, when you're financially healthy, okay, like you feel secure, you feel good about your money situation, you have a grasp on things, okay? No, it doesn't mean that you need to have $500,000 in your bank account to feel financially healthy. Even like you could be in debt, but you have a plan and you have a grasp on how you're going to pay off that debt. You have some savings, whatever. You feel good about your money, and that's enough to be financially healthy. Okay, however it is that it makes you feel. So the second thing is physical health. Okay, so for me, to vibe at a very high level, and when I say vibe at a very high level, it's just my words for my meaning of, I feel so amazing. Like I feel like I'm on top of the world. Okay. I feel very happy. I feel very, very good about like everything in life. So for me to reach that height, that is generally when I know I worked out like 7 to 10 times a week. So it's a lot, okay, but for me, that's a combination of hot yoga, hot Pilates, I do HIIT training or strength training, and I play soccer. So I do all of that several times a week. So when I add it all up, it's, anywhere between 7 to 10 times. And when I do that, at the end of the week, I feel very, very, very good. And then coupled with knowing that, financially, I'm on my way to reaching my goals. I'm doing what is necessary, on a daily basis, all my good habits. And, with all that combined, I can't ask for anything more. Like I'm very happy and very content with what I have accomplished. Okay. So again, do you have a plan? Like, do you have like a workout schedule? Do you set aside time for yourself? And then for your money, do you have a plan for reaching your goals, whether it's a debt repayment goal, savings goal, any sort of long-term financial goal? Just getting a grasp of all of that. You can't really ask for anything more. Like you should also be vibing at a very high level. So check in with yourself at the end of this week and let me know how it is that you feel.